the halos means is the genus, and the and the so and the genus means the production. So the word meaning of the halogen is it's referring to elements which produces a salt in union of with the metals. So what halogens are and from where this comes? So if we see the periodic table of chemistry, so we see the 17th column here, and these are the halogen family. The of all the five elements of the 17th column are the halogen families. And if we see this thing homeopathically, hello, am I audible clearly?
Yes, yes,
Yeah, okay.
yes.
So if
Go
we
on.
see the same thing homeopathically, so we can see the Jan Scholten's mineral chart here. The mineral kingdom are presented here. So here the 17th column again represents the halogen group here. You can see here the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and the acetone. So all these things are under the halogen family. So today we are going to see all these five elements which are belonging from the 17th column and the row 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's see what these are. So the main remedies of this the halogens are the chlorine, bromine, iodine, and fluorine. Whereas the fifth one is the lesser known and not well proved medicine here. So halogens is the only group which presents the all three states of metals here, where the fluorine and the chlorine are the gases, whereas bromine is a liquid, and iodine is a solid form. So all these three states of metals are present in halogen group, only in the halogen group here. So, if we try to understand the chemistry part of the halogens have the 7 electron in their outer orbit, and to complete this orbit, they need one more electron. They require one more electron to complete the orbit and to become stable. So, like this, we can see the same property in the patients of the halogen group. Also, we see further there. So hence the halogen remedies are very active, restless and excited because they want to attract the to one orbit to stabilize and to complete their orbit. So this quality we can by source we can understood this quality of the patient here. So let's start with the keywords of the group. How can we identify the patient when they express themselves in the case setting? So how can we understood the patient is belonging from the halogen group? So for that we must know and understood the keywords of the group to select the medicine. So these are some very important keywords of the halogen group. Like they are broken. The feeling of broken is there. They are let down feeling is there. They are tied down feeling is there. Uh, and the foremost feeling is the most important feeling is there. That is the stabbing in the back. They feel like someone who is stabbing in the back. They are someone is just cheating them. They just want to escape the situation. They are not people those who are facing something and try to solve them. No, they are used to escape from there, and just they want to let down from the situation. They're not ready to facing the situation. They doesn't like to be in the bond. They just come out from the bond. That's why the letting down and the broken feeling is there. They doesn't want to be tied down. Let's see the qualities of the halogen group. How can we easily from patients we can understand the patient this group. So the main feeling of the group is, I don't need you so much. I'm nearly complete in myself. See, if we compare this feeling from the source of the remedies, so we saw right now there ki halogen group have seven elements in their orbit, and just to complete they need one more thing. So that's why they are almost near to complete. So that's why the feeling is there. They doesn't need someone, and they are feeling the complete in themselves. They doesn't want to tag down for long to anyone. If you see the step down feeling, so this is very prominently present in patient, and this is like, and not only I have lost now, but I have also been attacked, and people are jumping on me and stabbing me. That much deeply and horribly this feeling is there in this group of in this group of remedies. And just because of that, they just want to break down, and they doesn't want to be in that. Anxiety is something which is belonging to all the remedies of the halogen group. In all the five remedies of halogens, this thing is always present there. And the way they express this anxiety is the patient accepts, they expect to see object around them, and that is jumping object around them, and they think that somebody is about them, and they turn around to see if such is the case. This is mostly in the mind, and this is the thing that much the anxiety is there. We see the restlessness and the excitability. These are the people who always move around. So means they are always doing something. They hardly sit for some time, and they like to do always continuously working and working and working. And that working and everything exhaust them at the end. And that's why this irritability and all these things are developed in this group of families. They are very active. There is a desire to move always. They just hurriedly going here and there. But they don't know what to do by this activity, from where they want to do, what they want to take from this activity. There is no goal to move here and there. But they like to move, and they are doing that. They are very impulsive. They are quick in doing their work. They can't think much to do things. They are just impulsive. Some thought is there, and they are just doing that, and very violently they are doing that. If you see the destruction, so out of the all irritability and everything, the way they are expressing themselves is the destruction. They just destroy the things what they doesn't like, and this destruction thing we can see in the violence of them. They violently destruct the things. They're very highly forgetful people. So to memorize the things, they just make a to do list for complete their day to day work even, and instead of making that to do list, they forgot the things to do. They can't even complete that to do list because they forgot to see even the to do list. I have noted this thing for doing today. So, Bipal Kaur sir described this thing very nicely in his book, that they are so busy and they have to so much on their mind that they cannot keep up with it. This is inclined writing there. So they want to do so many things, but they can't because of this forgetfulness, and this forgetfulness is there because of their hurried nature. They just going here and there, and they don't know even what they want to do exactly. And this forgetful to make them obsessive about their work. Means they are like they become fixed in their ideas. Like, I have to do this, I have to do that much, and all these things make them obsessed because of this forgetfulness. And this compulsive behavior is coming slowly in that. If we see the constitution of the person, the typically cathextic look is there, which we can understood by this picture. A complete lean, thin, and emaciation. A complete typically cathextic look is there. They are from the scrupulous dietitians, means they are morally very degraded peoples. They are not like very positive thinker, or very intelligently they are doing. No, they are very morally down peoples. If we see, try to understand the mism of the group. So as we saw, there is a lot of activity and a lot of destruction and all things. So basically, this group represents the antiseptic and antitubercular mism here. If you see the thermal reaction of all these four important remedies of the group, the chlorine and iodine is from the hot temperament, whereas the chromium is thermally chilly and fluorine is thermally antithermal. So if the element formed, they are worse always from the summer and from the warmth weather. These remedies are mainly for the glandular affection. There is a tendency to affect on the glands, like lymphatic glands, endocrine glands. So almost all the glands are affected in this group. So whenever this type of glandular affection we found, we can think once about the halogen group of remedies. And in the glandular affection, everything we can found there: the enlargement, the induration, the abscess, everything we can found related to the glands in this group of remedies. The hollow organs, especially the hollow organs, are affected here, like uterus, intestine, heart, etc. This where the tubular and hollow structures are there anatomically. So these organs are mainly affected in this group of remedy. There is a tendency to produce spasm there, and which is more we can found in the chlorine. The characteristic of chlorine is that, and specifically the spasm is of a respiratory tract is there. There is a deformity we can found of bones and hair, so hair deformity and the bones affections also we can found in this group of remedies. As the discharges of all the halogen groups are highly acidic, we can see because of the discharge, the affected parts which come in contact with the discharge is burned there. And the inflammation, congestion, ulceration, all these things because of the acidity of the discharge is present in halogen group of remedies. We can easily see there these things. They are highly irritant, means as we saw in the charges also. The mind level and the physical level and the pathology, all the things are presenting the same complaints there. They are irritable mentally also. The discharges are irritant, and the physically also they are very irritable people. They are sluggish. There is a tendency to pseudo membrane formation. So all accepting the chlorine tend to produce puperous membranes. Yes, chlorine tend more in diphtheric membrane than pure phosphorus. You can see the edematous condition is there, especially in the cardiac dropsy. If we see the main modality of the remedies, so they're aggravated, especially in the night, and we can see the night aggravation most of the time in the syphilitic group of remedies, and also aggravated by the heat there. Let's see one by one all the important remedies of the group. So let's start with the fluorine. So general properties of fluorine are they are most electronegative elements and reactive of the all elements. Most chemically active and non-metallic elements they are nearly all compounds are decomposed by fluorine to form fluorides, and until the World War II, there is no commercial production of this element is there. You see the theme of the fluorine. So there is no attachment with anyone. The attachment with any person is feel like a burden to this group of families. The fluorine, especially, there is a theme of separation is also there. If we, as we see in the periodic table of Jon Shelton, so we see there uh, fluorine is the situation, the place of fluorine in the periodic table is the 17th column and the second row. So this attachment and detachment theme is extremely there in this row two remedy, especially in the fluorine. The complete separation feeling is there. They want to be complete, independent, and separate. If we see, for example, in the fluoric acid, so a tremendous effort to the direction of breaking the relationship we can found here, and the rubric which represent this symptom well is the delusion, betrothal, engagement be broken. We see as they relationship so deep because they are emotionally anywhere. They are just superficial relation is there, and that's why the term clairvoyance represent the group very well, the acid floor very well. It means the ability to come out from any trauma easily because they are not emotionally attached anywhere. So they easily come out from any broken relationship or anything. So if we found in I saw a case of acid floor in my practice. So the guy is in so many relationships and he come out with every relationship very easily and there is no attachment with anyone. Means if he is letting one person, so he is like, okay, I'm with the second one. So there is no emotional attachment is seen there. When we see the pathological part, so very deep and chronic cases we found when we have to prescribe this kind of remedies like acid floor or cacuria floor. So fluorine seems to taken on syphilitic dimension, and whereas the chlorine or chlorine itself is a muriaticum. So chlorine and bromine we can found the more psychotic tendency is there in remedies. Yeah. So let's see the about the chlorine. So the general properties is it's a part of a common salt and it's present everywhere, and it's a pale green gas and which is disagreeable order and is very poisonous, and it's used in the belching and disinfectant. From there this use. When we try thematically, so there's a feeling of betrayed, the hurt feeling is there, the letdown feeling is there. By the identity they given to them, so they want to break free from that and assume a complete opposite identity. So this is the main feeling, and when we see the situation of the chlorine in the periodic chart, so it's again the 17th column and the row 3 issues are about the identity. So identity issues we can found here. So the main feeling is of Muriaticum is I am the opposite of you. The betrayal of trust feeling is there in this remedy. The action of betrayal is I don't want you. Just push, reject, rejecting you. This thing is there because if we see two opposite pole of one remedy, so if so there is a feeling of wanting also they also, but when they feel the is there, then this feeling comes up like I can be alone. See the chief indicate the physical indication to prescribe the remedy. So it is like uh, because of the spasm we track the respiratory system, this feeling restriction is very well marked due to which is immediately in the plan. See about this very bad is properties, so it's accurate smoky fluid used in the method of water purification, disinfectant, bleaching, and the clear gas. And silver bromine is also used in the photographic process also. So the theme of the remedy is there is a total insecure and complete alone to face the danger and the attack. This feeling is there in this. If we try to understand the periodic table of bromine in the periodic table is the 17th row and the fourth column, 17th column and the fourth. So the fourth row issues are related to their work. Always this understood this insecure. The deck they have to feel this thing. The feeling of nobody is there to protect me and have to do issues with ghosts or being pursued. Get there. The most important action is seen in diphtherious membrane tubes and other serious affections of the throat. If we can see, this is the physical symptom there. At this rubric, we can understand that is the dream coffins, death bodies funeral. The prominent this type of dream is there in. So let's see. General properties of iodine is non-metallic, plentifully in seawater, in certain plants such as tobacco and in various sea animals. It's a very pungent odor like caustic and acrylic. There is of their of iodine. The theme of iodine. So when in the periodic table, so it's row 5 and the column 17. 5 is always belonging to do something. They are the people. So theme is there on unnectar, strange, new and threatening situation. When we see when I saw the theme of the row 5 is when see the opposite pole of the remedy, so we can see the exact opposite thing. There is a threatening of new thing is there. As this is the 17th column, the opposite thing is present. So there threat of new and unexpected things is there. They feel to handle the things. do this thing with no help. The guidance thing is also there in silver, the row 6 remedies, row 5 remedies. Sorry. There is also are always there. Dejectways, lacrimus, they are always. This is almost the stage to the mania. They all the time hardly sits and not knowing what to do and how to do things without the guidance reach up to their goal. Got the guidance people, they can create anything. Creativity is row of remedies. If you see those characteristic physical symptoms here of iodine, so there is most remarkable hunger is there to eat constantly and continuously. And if they doesn't eat constantly and continuously, they feel so weak. They feel fainted there if they are not eating things. There is a remarkable and uncountable sense of weakness is there. The excessive amount of these are the most characteristic symptoms on the basis of that we can prescribe iodine to anyone, and everything whatever they are eating, everything is converted into platters. This is also the very important symptom of iodine. If we see by observation, what we see the iodine is suited especially to a person with dark hair and dark complexion. And if we compare the complexion with the bromine, so it's exactly opposite. That is, bromine is for the fair peoples with light complexion and the golden flaxy hairs. These are by which to there is anxiety when they are hanging. There is a dream of eating because related to eating here. So dreams are also eating. There is a dream of danger, turn to averse to dream. If you see the last remedy of today as the time, so this is the rare remedy and not well proved remedy. Mentioning few things about here. So if you see the general properties of naturally occurring radioactive element, heaviest in all the halogens, all about here, what we see here. So this is the heaviest element of remedies. And as we see the word which means the we can understand the here also. All their decision making ability and power has been taken away here. They are unable to take any decision. Power to take the decision is not there. They just want to letting go from here. They start to disintegrate with a feeling of letting go here. If we compare with the Baraita here, because if we see the in periodic table the position of astatine, that is the 17th column and the 6th row. And the 6th row, the quality in the issue is always related to the responsibility. So capacity to the astatine letting go from this responsibility, not taking any responsibility by any means. So this is all about the today's presentation here. I like to thank all the audience audience for your patience. Thankful to the Genoveva madam and group of all the group of your for giving me opportunity. So
Thank you very much, dear. I really loved your presentation. So thank you very much. Can you hear me? So now I will talk about Panavritmi, Sacred Dance of the New Humanity. I will upload the presentation and we will continue.
thank you.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity.
Thank you very much to you too. In a few minutes we will start.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, my dear. I really loved very much your presentation. I learned from you. So we can. When you graduated? When do you graduate?
So I'm removing my presentation.
Okay. You told me that you have graduated in 2015, but we learned now that we can learn from juniors as well. So thank you. So today I will talk about Panavritmi, Sacred Dance of the New Humanity. Just for a while to adjust something and we will continue.
Graduation in 2015, ma'am. Pleasure, ma'am. Leaving now.
Yes, you told me, dear, and I told them that we can learn from juniors as well. So thank you very much. Just to adjust something and I will continue. Wait for 1 minute.